Support the cause.
Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm Mia. We are the 9th grade class representatives, and today we did a bake sale.
Cinnamon roll, a cookie, and a cake pop, I guess.
Which was for our service project, and we got assigned the cause of animals, so we decided all proceeds go to the organization AnimalLuvrs.
Raising money for AnimalLuvrs!
We got our entire grade to help out and bake stuff so that they put all the work in, and then people really wanted to help support.